What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 43 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, October 22nd. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the tracker. I ended the week last week at 12,123.15, and I believe it's slightly up higher than that this week. We'll dive into the app here in a second. But I believe that's also 5 straight weeks of me not depositing any more cash inside my Robinhood portfolio. I did add some more Ethereum and Shibu coin to my portfolio as well this week. And I want to make that a habit also of investing $200 to $500 worth of crypto every single month moving forward. Transactions, I did not buy any more stock. Let me know down below if you guys purchased any more plays today, more specifically because of the sell-off that happened later on in the day. I will actually want to say from 10 a.m. to about 3. And that way I can kind of put on my watch list and let's see, and I'll decide whether to buy that stock next month or whatever the next sell-off will be. Let me know down below which stocks you guys purchased today. Let me know down below which stocks that you purchased today during the sell-off. And that way I can kind of put on my watch list and see when the next sell-off is and buy it then. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. I'm currently sitting at 12,271.67. For the week, I'm up 1.28%, which equates to 154.88. Buying power is at 1,604.39. Charge point for the week, almost up 9%, looking good. Market value is at 1608 on the dot. Total return up 13.32% with the average cost of $18.92. Half point for the week, up 2.28%. Market value $13.19.05. Total return almost down 41% with the average cost of $14.40 and sitting with 155 shares of this. AMC down 10.19%. Market value $733.60. Total return 8.37% with the average cost of $40.03. Sitting with 20 shares of this. Future FinTech down 1.89%. Total market value $21.32. Total market value $21.32. Total return down 42.72% with the average cost of $363. Sitting with 1,025 shares of this. And let me know down below, guys, if you guys are going to hang on to Future FinTech or you're just going to kill it wherever you're at and just eat the loss. Nike for the week up 4%. Market value $1307.84. Total return up 8.75% with the average cost of $150.32 with 8 shares. Apple for the week up 3.49%. Market value $2230.91. Total return up 6.76%. Average cost of $139.10. Sitting with 15 shares of this. Now my dividend plays, Crestwood equity for the week, almost flat, down 0.31%. Market value 293.54. Total return up 71.34%. Average cost of 17.48. Sitting with 9.8 shares of this. And now IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, up 7.8%. Market value 791.69. Total return 47.74%. Average cost 175.79. Sitting with 3 shares of this. Now again, my completed transfers. Last one still being September 20th of $450. But again, I did not deposit any cash into my account. I used that money for crypto instead. And now, guys, I'm kind of curious too how you guys are still, or I'm kind of curious if you guys are, I want to know down below if you guys are still following Chris. And if so, how well your portfolios are doing based on your picks. Because we're entering Q4 now, or we're already in Q4 now. So I'm just wanting to know where everybody stands in their Chris Sain 100K journey. But with that being said, hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.